Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about some basic properties of graphs. In our previous classes, we have done some basic concepts about graph. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, the first one is what is the distance between two vertices? So we say it as distance, the shortest path among multiple paths between two vertices. In between two vertices, you are going to have multiple paths. Among those multiple paths, take the minimum path. That is what we call it as distance. With example, you are going to understand it better. Let's take this example. Let's take the nodes D comma E. What is the distance between D comma E? So from D comma E, we can go from D to A to B, B to E. This is one path. Next path is D to A to C, C to F, F to G, G to E. This is another path. Among these multiple paths, what is the minimum path? D to E. So what's the distance is 1. Among multiple paths, you have to select the minimum path. So distance of D comma E is given as 1. That is what the formula for distance. Now coming to the next property, eccentricity of a vertex. The maximum distance between a vertex and all other vertices is called as eccentricity. With example, you are going to get it better. Let's take the same example. If you want to find the eccentricity of a vertex A, you need to find the distance between distance of A to B. What is the distance? 1. Distance of A to C, 1. Distance of A to D, 1. Distance of A to E, 2. Distance of A to F, 2. Distance of A to G, 3. Among all these, what's the maximum distance? 3 is the maximum distance. That's why eccentricity of A is 3. 3 is the eccentricity of A. That is what eccentricity means. So if you want to identify the eccentricity of a vertex, from that vertex you have to find the distance for all other vertices. Among them, you have to pick the maximum one. So now coming to the next one, what is meant by radius of a graph? Minimum eccentricity among all the vertices is called as radius. What is that? Minimum eccentricity. Here we need to find the eccentricity for all the vertices. Eccentricity of A equal to 3 for the same graph. Whatever the graph we have used here, for the same graph we are going to identify eccentricity for all the vertices. Eccentricity of A is 3. Eccentricity of B is 3. Eccentricity of C is 3. Eccentricity of D is 2. Same as E is 3. F is 3. G is 3. Out of this, all the eccentricities, you need to pick the minimum one. So which one is the minimum? Eccentricity of D is equal to 2. This is the minimum. This we call it as radius of the graph. Among all the eccentricities, pick the minimum. That is what we call it as a radius of a graph. Similarly, the next definition is the diameter of a graph. Maximum of all the eccentricities is called as diameter of the graph. So diameter is equal to 3 here. Because all the eccentricities, you need to pick the maximum. What is the maximum value? 3 is the maximum value. So that is what we call it as diameter of the graph. So these are the basic properties. If you want to find the coding part for how to write the coding for eccentricities and how to find the coding for a radius, diameter of the graph, these concepts will be discussed in our design and analysis of algorithms in our playlist, DA playlist. So if you want coding, please watch it there. Hope you understand this concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.